Hi friends, today I'll be making Khaman Dhokla by GITS, and this is the new recipe by them, now more spongy. And I'm making this recipe first time to check if it's really more spongy. Usually I use the full packet at once. It depends on you. If you are just one or two, you can use the half packet. Now add in 230 ml of water and mix it well. Now add 30 ml of oil to it. Mix it until it's a fine, smooth paste. There should be no lumps, and pour little amount in the idli maker molds. I have not greased them with oil, it depends on you, but it works well with me without oil. Like this, you add in all the molds in equal proportion. Now place the stand in the steamer very carefully as the water is hot. Now cook this for about 15 minutes. Meanwhile, I'll prepare my tamarind chutney, my curd. After 15 minutes, check with a clear knife. Now it's time to prepare tadka for it. Now before that, we will take out these dhoklas with a clean knife. If it is properly cooked, it will come out very easily. Now the oil is hot, add in some mustard seeds and cumin seeds. I'm adding these green chilies. I'm adding sugar, it's optional for you, but it really tastes well with sugar. Now add in some water, which is a very important step, as the dhoklas are little dry and it gets sticky sometimes. So we will add some water and garnish the dhoklas with this amazing tadka. I'm enjoying this snack with tamarind chutney and curd.